In the future smart factory, digitization will not be limited to machine equipment and production systems, but will impact every stage of the production process. Products and production equipment will be designed, constructed, launched, and run based on models, simulations, and optimizations using artificial intelligence and other advanced computer technology. This program will give you the prerequisites for a role in the future smart factory, where digitization and virtual tools affect the daily work of all employees, from managers to operators. Choose a program in a field where the labor market for engineers is big and growing, where you can study new and interesting technologies and IT tools. Be ready to help companies further streamline their production and make it more reliable, durable, and easier to adapt to product and volume changes.